Hello, short tutorial. In the website connect.iawallet.net you can create your wallet to be connected on that website. Okay. Next step, you have the mnemonic phrase. Copy that as usual. It's very important. Save that. Next step, now you have some space to complete in the order of the words you have copied before. Okay, complete. Some space are already complete. Check button. Validate. Next step, create your password, and again a second step, type your password again. Encrypt private key. Next step, congratulations, okay, you have created the new wallet, Netsbo blockchain network. Continue. That's your wallet, and this will serve you to the next step and collect and connect your IA wallet in Olympia-Lab. See you.